students, once again welcome back to our online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video I am going to repeat the next chapter, the same which I already explained in my previous video, that is chapter number 2. So, in my previous video we have completed the paragraph of page number 15 and 16. In today's video I am going to explain the next one, page number 17. So student, on page number 17 there is a fifth paragraph. We are going to start the fifth paragraph. So for that you all take out your New Champs English Reader book and open page number 17 and start it from the paragraph number 5. Okay, there is line, permission was happily granted. Student, there is a line, permission was happily granted, and Kitty trotted away with a basket in one hand, a bundle in the other. Once she has given the sick baby some clothes, the lame girl books, and the old woman money, she felt happy as people always do when they do kind things. Student, in my previous video we have learned that in this story there is a little girl whose name is Kitty and she was very naughty. She always neglected the work that told her to do. Okay, at the beginning of the story we have learned that Kitty was a girl who didn't like to do what others do, always grumble, I want and I can't. Okay, so student, one day she found a magical shoes. The shoes helped Kitty in becoming a better person as she became kind and disciplined girl. Okay, so now one day her mother Kitty that go and help the poor people. So now she agreed and she said to her mother that I'll go mama and later may I come back thou fairyland, the place where tall ferns grow in the forest. So permission was happily granted and Kitty going with a basket in one hand, a bundle in the other. Okay, so what happened there? So Kitty, once she had given the some clothes, and after that the lame girl books and the old woman money. And she doing this all things, she felt very happy. When she doing this all things, so she feels as people always do when they do kind things. Now come to the next paragraph. There is a Kitty soon reached fairyland which was filled with wood flowers. Kitty wished to rest her aching feet and immediately her feet folded under her. Next line, and she sat on a cushion of moss. Then with a third, a large black cricket landed beside her, staring at her gracefully and, hello, are you related to my cousin? Okay, there is a word cousin, not cushion. Grasshopper, you took such long leaps just like him. After that, croaked the cricket. Now come to the next paragraph. There is a, I'm not a grasshopper, but I have today. I am not a grasshopper, but I have a magical shoes today, answered Kitty, surprised that she understood what the cricket said. Come to the next paragraph. There is a, oh, it's midsummer day and fairies play pranks today. He said the magic will stay till sunset and then the fun will be over. There is a next line. Because of the shoes, you can understand me and also those squirrels, frogs and butterflies. Now the next line. Sure enough, Kitty heard all sorts of voice singing and laughing and she understood every word. So student, we have learned that Kitty are able to help for the poor people, and when she do this all things she felt very happy, and after that she going to fairyland, and in the fairyland she understood the language of grasshopper, cricket, frogs and squirrels. So one of them, cricket, told her that it was midsummer day and the fairies play prank today. And he said the magic will stay till sunset and then the fun will be over. Because of the shoes you can understand me and also the squirrels, frogs and butterflies. So after that, the next, sure enough, Kitty heard all sorts of voices singing and laughing and she understood every word. So in the fairylands, come to the next line. She talked and played with the squirrels and butterflies until tea time, just as the clock struck 4. Away went the shoes over the pool, the hill and the road till Kitty reached home. After doing the all activities with the butterflies, frogs, squirrels, she come back to home and the sun will soon set. I must escape while I can, thought Kitty once he was done. She waltzed around the lawn so prettily that her mother exclaimed, she shall go to dancing school. Now come to the last one. There is Kitty's kept on hopping to learn some graceful step. Before the day was done, finally her mother called, stop now here and run off to bed. So when the kitty heard from the cricket that fun will be over when the sun set, it's over. So that time she doing all the activity in fairylands, and after that she come back to home, and when tea time's over she again is starting the dancing and playing. So her mother called her that that's it for today. Come back, stop now dear and run up to bed because it's time for sleeping. Okay, so come to the next page number 18. So there are 2 paragraphs, so we're going to read. So there is a few minutes more, began Kitty, but was off like a flash into the bedroom. Soon the sun was gone and the shoes become common ones. For midsummer day was over. Kitty never forget the lesson she had learned. She earned willingly remembered the pretty steps and often thought of the interesting creatures in fairyland. Whenever she was allowed to play with them, she hurried away quickly as if she still were the magic skipping shoes. Okay students, so now it's over of this chapter. So student, in this chapter we have learned at the beginning of the story, Kitty was a girl who didn't like to do what others said and who always grumble, I want and I can't. And after that, when Kitty put on her mother asked her to tell the cook to make a pie for a dinner. So Kitty started to whine, I don't want to do, but as usual, but the shoe jumped and swept her downstairs into the kitchen. And after that, when her father asked her when her father told her that go and get the letter from the post office, so that time she again neglected that work, but the trotted down the street and took her to the post office, allowing her to stay at the bridge where she wanted to watch the boats. And after that, at break times when she going to school, so at the break time, a girl called Dolly brought knocked on the house of corn cobs that Kitty has built. And after that, Kitty offered to get village ball because to taste if she was correct about how the shoes work. So she had begun to realize that they were cooperative when she was kind and good, but stubborn when she tried to be naughty. After that, Kitty charmed all the girls by dancing and twisting gracefully in her new magical suits. After that, we have learned that Kitty felt happy after had the poor people and give them the bundles to the poor. She felt happy because people always feel good when they do kind things. Now the next, the cricket told Kitty that her shoes had been bewitched by the fairies, as it was midsummer day and the fairies liked to play pranks on the day. The magic in her shoes would remain until sunset. It was also responsible for allowing Kitty to understand too the animals and insects. So student, as the end of this story, we have to say that yes, the shoes helped Kitty in becoming a better person as she became kind willingly and stopped complaining. Okay, complaining. So we have learned the moral. We never neglect the work that our elders say to us for doing. Okay, so student, you always be polite and kind with your elders. Okay, so student, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. I hope you all understood this story very well. So I will explain the exercises of this chapter in my next video. So keep watching my video. Okay students, thank you.